It's a cooking anime, but one thing you have to worry about when it comes to cooking anime is that it could make you hungry. Oh, puffer. Yes, I caught a puffer fish. I thought you would be tougher fish. Ooh, that's like a burn. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? What? Yes, I got an ocean sunfish. Good thing I'm wearing ocean sunscreen. Jeez, that always cracks me up. Pulling that giant monster out of there with just a little fishing pole. Rainbow stag. You know, not too long ago, I actually had a dragonfly come into my house. I had one of my windows open, and it just flew right in. And I think what bugged me about it, that I had to get it out of my house without killing it, is that I could hear its wings, and it reminded me of a bird. I thought about trying to get my brother to play Animal Crossing again. I actually have no idea if he even has the game, but yes, I caught a sweet fish. Hopefully it's not artificially sweet. But I haven't brought it up to him. I probably won't. I don't think he likes games